just looking for some coins here. I'm gonna wash the truck a little bit. It's just a bit dirty. It warmed up a lot. It's crazy. I don't understand how it actually warmed up so much. It was minus 40, and then somehow the weather completely shifted, and Eastern Canada is getting all the cold now. Last week, we got up to 7 degrees. It's only, I think, minus 2 or 3 right now, and then this week it's supposed to be 1 to 3 degrees in the daytime. Yeah, but because of all this, all the warm weather now, all the snow was just like really hard packed and condensed from the cold. And then those temperatures hit, and it just like tripled in size, the snow, and then it went all into the road, and there's been a ton of snow removal going on, and the roads were just awful. But they're doing better now. They're doing snow removal in town right now. The temperatures have just rose so much, and all the snow is just becoming slush. That's quite the barrier. Huh. Since it's so warm today, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. The trick to living in 35 square feet is to keep it clean and organized, because if you don't, it's a disaster, which is what it's becoming. I just want to check under the floor here. I made a mistake building this out. I didn't protect this at all, and yeah, this is what I was worried about. It's a little wet down here. I wonder how I could stop that, because I think it's just right here, because it's the entrance, and also there's this little gap here which we need to fill. But yeah, this actually isn't even glued down, it just stays in place, which is nice. So I can rip it up whenever we want. There's some birds out. It's awesome to hear the birds. They tend to disappear when it's really cold, and when it warms up they come back out. It's just honestly so nice to hear them, hear some life back in the forest. Minus 20, 30, 40. There's not a lot of animals out. They all hunker down, and it's a little depressing. Oh boy. Oops. What a disaster it is in here. Holy moly. Yeah, it's crazy how we make this little space work. Honestly, the high roof, or the high canopy makes all the difference. Like, I really don't think this would be possible if you got the low roof canopy. Well, I mean, you can camp in it, but living in it would be difficult, always hitting your head. I've never once hit my head in here. The heck is that? Oh, that's old. One day I want to make sushi. I've been packing this around for so long and I haven't made sushi yet. Hello there, squirrel. You were very noisy earlier. How are you doing? It's warmed up a lot, hasn't it? It's wonderful. I bought some magic erasers just to... I like to keep it nice, obviously. I mean, don't want our house looking like crap. You know what's always baffled me? How on earth do these chickadees, which if you don't know what a chickadee is, it's just like a small bird, how do they deal with the cold? Like, how do they live through minus 40? Like, they're crazy. I fly south. Yeah, I've always wondered that, though. Like, they are incredible. Not just them, but all the animals are incredible. But I always look at the little birds like the chickadees, and I wonder how the heck they manage with this. Yeah, one thing I've noticed for sure with the rising temperatures is that we've used way less diesel. Like, way less. Come here. We're gonna make banana bread. We have a visitor. Hey, Aspen. What the heck? Isn't he cute? Hey, buddy. What's up? Hey, how's it going? You had absolutely no idea I was in here, did you? Like, not a clue. You're very friendly. I don't have anything, though. Alright, I threw 3 medium bananas in a bowl and I'm just mashing them now. This is not the most efficient way to mash. 2/3 a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, that vanilla smells so good. I'm gonna add 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup oil, a teaspoon of baking soda, alright, now we're gonna add some cinnamon. Oh, that was a little much. I'm gonna throw some pecans in there. I'm gonna use a bit of parchment paper today, just so I can get this out easily. So I'm gonna put it in here for, I think, about an hour and a half. I'm gonna have to do 2 45 minutes. This drawer is an absolute disaster. And the soy sauce bottle decided to leak. I'm going to use the back of a match because I don't have any toothpicks. It's coming out clean. Wow, look at that. I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. Give this a try. That's really good. Magnificent. Pretty good for banana bread made in a truck. Now I'm just gonna get Starr from work and I'm gonna go to work. And then we're thinking about doing something in the dark tonight, like a little snowshoe. Well, maybe not snowshoes. There's honestly not a lot of fresh snow. Probably just a W. I can't say the word or else she'll go nuts.